Are you ready to delete your Gmail or Google account safely and completely? In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. But before we start, remember, this will permanently remove your Google data, so make sure to back up anything important first. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click your profile picture or account icon, then select Manage your Google account. This takes you straight to the heart of your account settings. From here, click on Data and Privacy in the menu on the left. Scroll down until you see Download or Delete your data. This section lets you manage everything Google knows about you and, importantly, gives you the option to delete your account or individual services. If you want to delete just your Gmail, click on Delete a Google service. Find Gmail in the list, then click the trash icon next to it. Google will ask for a non-Gmail email address to send a verification message. This ensures you can still access other Google services, check your new email inbox, follow the instructions, and confirm the deletion. This is the point of no return for your Gmail address, so make sure you're ready to delete your entire Google account, return to Data and Privacy, and scroll to Delete your Google account. Google will offer you a chance to download all your data. Highly recommended if you want to save memories or important files. Once ready, check the boxes to confirm you understand the consequences, then click Delete Account. And that's it. Your Gmail or Google account is now permanently deleted. Remember, this action is irreversible, so only proceed if you're certain. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips to take full control of your digital life.